Dear students, welcome to the painting class. This is Manpreet Kaur from the Millennium School. In previous session, we have learnt about Ajanta paintings. In today's video, we are going to learn nature scene with oil pastel colors. Before starting the topic, let's have a look on the material required for today's video. Oil pastel colors, paper, cotton, masking tape. Here you can use Dr. tape also. So first you have to apply the tape in center area. Then take yellow color and draw one circle with a yellow color. Now we will color the circle with the yellow. The neatness you have to do. After coloring, just mix with your finger. So now we need tape. So we'll cover this circle with the tape. So now we'll start with the red color. So first you have to do red color. Then orange. So do orange color properly. Don't leave the space. So now we'll do yellow color and mix with the orange. We'll do more red color at the corner, both sides. Now we'll mix with the cotton. Just mix orange color with yellow and red color with orange. So student, it's very easy technique. You can do it easily. Now we'll remove the tape. Slowly. Now again we will apply the tape on the red color. Like this. Now remove the circle. Again start with the red color. Then orange. yellow. So now we'll do again red color both the sides, because here we have to do a dark shade. We have to show dark shade here both the sides, that's why we are using red color. So now we'll mix them again with the cotton. So mix it properly. Now we'll make a shadow of sun. Mix the color again with the cotton. And here you have to show the half shadow of sun, not a full. So now here I am using brown color for dark shade. Now remove the tape. And cover this white space with your finger by mixing the color. So here I am going to make clouds with the brown color. Now I am using red color in clouds. Now dark brown. So here I am using black color. So you have to give little bit shade with the black color. So here I am using black color in center area. For darkness. Now white color I am using in clouds. Again brown color for mixing. So we have to show the darkness in center area because we are showing here land and sky. So here we are showing water and upper side we are showing sky. So now I am using black color for bushes, grass I am making. So any kind of grass you can draw with a free hand only. Here no use of pencil. Now we'll make a boat in water. So you all know now how to make a boat. It's very easy to draw. So first you have to draw the light pencil, then we will do dark. So you need 8B pencil. If you don't have, then you can use simple one also, but use little bit hard. Press it. Now we are coloring with the pencil only in a boat. So here I have done down area of boat. So here my boat is done. So you can see it's very easy to make. Now I'm going to make a shadow of boat in the water. Here I am making birds, 2 birds, fly birds. So now I am using black color for more darkness on the board. Only shade we have to give, otherwise it will spoil your painting. Use it carefully. So now you can see it's look like a real scene. Now we'll remove the tape from the corners. So like this you can make various scenes. This is the end of today's session. Make the same on your art file. Hope you understood well. Thank you.